Guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve internet not working on AliExpress. To know how to fix or how to solve internet not working on AliExpress, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will enter to AliExpress app. Then you can click on first step and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear detail because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and you are watching.